how do you go from heart transplants to deadly funnel web spiders? Tell us what you and others from the University of Queensland have found in this area.
One of my colleagues, Jamie Vandenberg at the Victor Chang, put me in contact with a chap, Glenn King, who's a venom toxicologist that used to work with Jamie, and he's based at the University of Queensland, and he's been working on extracting venom products that can be used for therapeutic purposes. And he identified this protein, this peptide, in funnel web spider venom that actually protects cells from when they're deprived of their normal oxygen. So his original research was in a mouse model of stroke, and he was able to show that if you added this protein up to 8 hours after inducing a stroke in a mouse, you could protect the brain and reduce the size of the stroke in the mouse. We started doing studies with the same protein in heart preservation models and showed the same phenomenon. Up to 8 hours after depriving the heart of its oxygen, we could protect the heart with this protein from the funnel web spider venom.
Amazing. So you're set to hold clinical trials. What's the eventual hope for this?
I think heart transplantation will benefit from this technology. I think the much bigger picture is we think that this is something that could be put in an ambulance, given to first responders. So if someone's having a stroke, having a heart attack, collapse on the street, they could administer this medication at the scene, bring the person back to the hospital, they could have their blood flow restored and suffer a much smaller insult than what otherwise would have happened.